I've been thinking about getting a drone for many years, and finally I decided to order one. I was looking at DJI Mini 3 Pro and Potensic Atom 2, and I decided to go with Atom 2 because of some extra AI features. I went with Fly More combo because you get 2 extra batteries and also some accessories as well. Everything comes pre-packed in the shoulder bag. That means every single item is already in its own section. This is the battery charging hub. You can charge 3 batteries at the same time and it is fast charging. These batteries can also be charged via Type-C cable with a power bank or in your car. This is the remote controller and I think it's pretty well designed. It feels like a PlayStation controller and all the buttons are very easy to get used to. This is the charger for the charging hub. You can charge 1 battery or all 3 batteries at the same time. In this pack we have 16 propellers, 16 screws, a mini screwdriver, some instructions on how to change the propellers and also some USB Type-C cables. Now finally the drone. I can't tell you how excited I was to finally get my hands on a drone. Very easy to unfold, just extend one arm at a time, front arms first and then the rear arms. The camera itself is of Sony 4K 30 frames per second HDR and I like how it comes with this cover, so whenever you're packing it away just make sure you put the cover back on to avoid any scratches or damage. I tried powering it on but the battery wasn't charged. The joysticks are secured on the back of the controller. Take them out and screw them into the control posts. First thing first, charge all 3 batteries. Grab a micro SD card. I went with this one to store more videos. I couldn't wait to fly it, so I went to the nearest playground when it was quiet and started testing some tracking modes, and I also did some manual flying and it was so easy. To be honest, I did get some help from their video tutorials that you can access within the Potensic app and they were very easy to follow and it made flying a breeze for me as a beginner. That's it for now. If you have any questions about Atom 2, let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you.